Jaffa. I was born in Kibra. I'm originally from Kibra. Yeah, and this school is a private school, and I found it because of most of the challenges that I used to go through.
Leaf, fruit, flower.
We have more than 40 schools in Kibra, and now we are the top 5. So you see that's a good achievement and good result.
I have attended the workshop on digital learning. I've learned a lot of things like how to use blended learning in classroom. This knowledge that I've gained will help me to undertake my teachings. It will benefit the students like using the iPads, and I would like to thank all those people who have been involved, the wiLearn, Mr. Rolland, for bringing this workshop to Watu Mojali Academy, and we are going to make sure that what we have learned will be used in our school.
We chose the area of a square, and a square is a shape that has all four equal sides. So we were learning about how to find the area of a square, and being that it's all sides being equal, then we gave an example of L being the name of a square, the side, the length. So the area of a square is L square if you are finding the area. So for example, if the value is 5 and you want to find the area of this square which has all sides being equal, so it will be 5 square. That's 5 times 5.
I teach both classes from class 3 up to grade 5, and in this workshop that we've been taught this week, I'm really grateful because we've been taught how we'll be teaching the children concerning the wiLearn and the digital learning together with the blending. So I'm very grateful because it will be easier for me as a teacher to blend and make the children produce good grades. So I'm really thankful because this one is really going to improve the teaching strategies in this school.
I am happy because we have learned more this week, and what we want to give out for our children or for our pupils, we want them even to learn more. We will give them. We have learned, and then they will earn what we have learned this week. So at the end of this workshop, we'll give our children, we'll teach them how to use the iPad as the new system. Next year we want to share what we have learned to them so that we can work with them. We'll be working with the iPad, and we are happy because our school, I think it is the best because we have the iPad. So I think our children will be very happy and exciting because maybe some of them, it is the first time to see the iPad or to touch. So when we will be working with them or learning with them, the iPad, they will be very exciting.
We learn for life at Watu Mojali at Kibera in Nairobi, and it has been a real great experience for me to be with your team here in Kibera and to motivate the teachers for a new level of learning. I think we have reached a lot of a new level, and we have really have learned a lot together. How to apply technology in a classroom, how make a classroom a learning environment where the child is in the focus and where we can use multimedia technology to edify and to amplify important lessons for life. So thank you very much, Fatu Mochali, for making it possible. It has been a privilege to be here.
My name is Michael Madegwa. I am in Standard 5 at Watu Mojalia Academy. I would like to be an engineer when I grow up.
My name is Michael Omondi. I am in class 6. When I grow up, I would like to be a pilot.
My name is Lina Adhiambo. I am in class 4 at Watu Mojalia Academy. And when I grow up, I would like to be a doctor.
Once you change one person in the community, you change the whole community. I could like this school to improve, to develop, like we should have a desk, a stationery.